Hey, if fast money and short trading days is your cup of tea, then you're gonna wanna watch this video right here where I explain what are the two best markets to scalp. All right, so scalping, you're just trying to get in, you're trying to get out, you're not trying to play around, you're just trying to get your money quick, you're trying to have short trading days, and you're trying to increase on the sudden. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, JD here. So when I think about scalping, when you're scalping, you're only trying to be in the market for a very short amount of time. You're trying to grab some quick profits and get out, right? So with that being the case, you need to choose a market that you don't have to go that far of a distance to make money. All right. So I think of scalping in terms of distance. How far do I have to go, right, to actually make some decent money? And when you think of it in those terms, the very best market to scalp, in my opinion, this is all opinion here, is the futures market. Hands down, the futures market is going to be your very best market. Second to the futures market, I would have to say, if you're just strictly trying to scalp, the binary options market, because now if you are very good at picking the direction of the market, it's not really about the distance, but well, it is. It's about the distance, but now you add in a time factor, right? So if you can just catch a strong trend, then you know that, all right, if I got a strong trend going, I only got to be right for 3 minutes, right? If you can just be right for 3 minutes, you can scalp the binary options market. So in my opinion, the very best market to scalp right out the gate is the futures market. And then second is the binary options market. And let me show you why if you compare it to the Forex market, which is a market where I think a lot of people try to scalp, but to me it's harder to scalp. And here's why. I'm currently in this dollar CAD trade, right? My lot size was 0.10. I'm currently up 33. I'm up $34 in profit, right? Good trade. This is my classic sweet spot trade that I take with the Swing Trading Titans community. So everybody who's in my community, hopefully we're all in this trade together. It's already hit target one. We already got a win. But here's my point on scalping. This was not a scalp. This is a swing trade. Here's why. Okay, so again, my lot size is 0.10. I probably risk 40 bucks on this trade. When we get to target one, that's probably about a 1-to-1. Then target two, we make some extra. You get to target three, hey, this may actually be, a 1-to-2 situation, but I entered right here, right? I entered right here at the golden ratio. Here's what I'm trying to say. From here, I've had to come all the way up here just to make $40. Look at the distance, okay, that prices had to travel just for me to make $40. Now, of course, if I was to go a full lot, things of that nature, risk a whole lot more, all right, I would have made a whole lot more. But again, I would have had to risk a whole lot more. But take the risk away. I just want you to pay attention to the distance, right? From here all the way up here, right? Now, come over here. Let's look at the futures market. All right. Now, this is the S&P 500 micro. I want you to see something. I want you to see in these lines. You probably can't see, so let me highlight it for you. I want to show you what the distance is to go 1 point. Now, let's say you were trading the mini ES. There's a line. Okay, let me grab another one. And here's a line, right? The distance from here to here is 1 point. You see it over here, 52.90, 52.89. The distance from here to here is 1 point. If you were trading the mini ES, that's $50. Okay, going from right here to here is $50. Look how short of a distance you had to travel to scalp out $50. And then when you consider the Forex where I entered here, it got way up here and I'm only at $32. All right. That's the difference, you know, the distance. So when you're scalping, you want to be in a market to where you can make more money, right? Having to go a shorter distance. That's why I prefer to scalp futures over the Forex, right? So again, to me, it's a distance thing, right? So if you're just trying to scalp, you know, a 1 point scalp is what they call a scalper's profit in futures. A 1 point scalp is very obtainable. I mean, in seconds, right? So again, if quick money and short trading days is your thing, you may want to consider scalping in the futures market. Now you definitely have to, this is just this is just, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? The distance and whatnot. You still have to have a strategy, right? You got to have a strategy. You got to know some price action. You got to know when to enter. But if you do, it's good. Like this bounce right here off of the EMA. Now this was a doji signal candle, unfortunately. But man, if you took just the bounce off this EMA, I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 points and still going. Might as well just say 5 points, right? That's $250. Okay. So, and that may be the same distance that we went over here in Forex. Probably not. It probably ain't even close to that, you know? So again, you got to go further in the Forex. And I'm not just shooting the Forex down. I'm just saying as far, cause I trade the Forex every day for my swing trades. I'm just saying if I'm scalping though, I personally prefer to scalp the futures market because you have to go a shorter distance, right? You got to go a shorter distance to make good money. And that brings us to now, if you don't have the capital to do futures, which I understand, there's another option, which is the binary options market. If you're looking for just a straight up scalp, right? So in this market, it's kind of like this. Now, so this is the dollar CAD also, real market. So let's say you start down here, you see prices pushing up. We are clearly above the 21 EMA. For those of us who understand price action, that's a clear sign, right, that we're trending up. So to go long, let me give me a little tool going here. I'm gonna show you guys something. So we got this push up, right? This was a little range right here. After we broke out of that range, hey, we knew we were going heading up. All right, my tool is up now. We knew we were heading up. Now check this out. For those of us who understand price action, we would have seen right here, you got a new high. So let's count it up. Push down. First entry. Push down. We got a second entry long right here. Let me get my color together. You can go right here on this second entry long. Even if you don't like that one, you can go on this big candle right here. Either candle, right? So all you need to do in the binary options market to scalp is be right. I would say for 3 minutes. I like 3 minute trades for scalp. All you need to do is be right for 3 minutes, right? And so 1, 2, 3, you got it, right? That's a win. So you didn't have to be right for that long to scalp this market, right? You only needed to be right for 3 minutes. So now it ain't just about distance, but it's about time. You know, can you pick the direction of the market for 3 minutes? And in this case, you should have been able to, because you would have seen, hey, we just broke out. We're bouncing off this 21 EMA. This is a clean second entry long. We should get another leg of this distance. Knowing that I should get another leg of this distance allows me to scalp the binary options market, right? And this is a dollar CAD real pair. So you can trade real pairs in the, in binary options, just like the Forex dollar CAD. Notice that they're both, hold on a second. Notice that they're both going up right now. Dollar CAD here is going up. Real pairs and binary options is going up, so that also helps you if you are trading. If you got a swing trade going here, hey, that, we're moving up. Let me go over to the binary options market, see what's going on. Yeah, it should be doing about the same thing. Now I know to scalp, to take longs on a scalp. So, you actually can use the Forex to help you scalp binary options market. And that just hit me just now. I'll be honest. As I was showing this, as I was teaching this, that just hit me. That's pretty good teaching right there. So, if you got some swing trades that's working, like this candle was pushing up here, saw it pushing up, heading to our target one, hey, jump over to binary options, real pairs, and try to get you a scalp going long. You know what I'm saying? Now, I wouldn't have taken this one because it was only 64%. But let's find something higher. All right, so this Euro USD is 84%, right? So I had to risk $55, but I can make a quick $46 if I'm just right for 3 minutes. So again, that's better. I mean, I can make $46 in just 3 minutes, where in the Forex, again, I've been in this trade since yesterday, and I'm up $35, but scalping the binary options market, I can make $46 in 3 minutes. So again, for me, if I'm going to scalp, if we're talking scalping, then I would say, hey, scalp the Forex market. Excuse me, I said that so wrong. Scalp the futures market, first option. If you don't really have the capital for that, I would scalp the binary options market. So if you want to scalp, in my humble opinion, the best two markets to do that is futures and binary options. And I just showed you why. But now if you want to swing trade, there you go. You want to roll with the Forex. You want to join our swing trading Titus community. And hey, I just put this trade in last night. Let me show it to you. Yep, dollar CAD. This went out to the community. Put this boy in. Let me get these off the screen. Okay, yep, put this boy in last night. One day we're out of there. This was the markup. This was the result. You see it happening live. And boom, it looks like we're headed to level 2, people. All right. So again, that's swing trading. But if you want to scalp, I would suggest the futures and binary options. All right. So that's the lesson for today. Hope you liked it. Hey, please, this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. Continue to leave those comments. I appreciate all the help that you guys are doing for the channel. We got a great video coming for Monday. So, hey, definitely come back. Stay tuned. And, we're heading into June, and we're going to have a great, profitable summer together. All right. So I'm going to sign off with that. My name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
Looking for profitable trade ideas in the Forex market? Want to learn a unique strategy based on price action and Fibonacci retracement zones? Join our trading community now for just $10 a month and receive trade ideas and binary options chart markups straight to your inbox.